Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SG LEDs floodlight. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product and you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to in a nice and simple retail box, with the sticker on the side giving us some more information about this light. It's 36 watts, which is roughly 250 watt incandescent. It has 5,000 kelvins color temperature, so it's going to have a nice daylight. It also is 3,600 lumens, so it's decently bright, and it features motion sensing with 3 modes. So we have auto mode, dusk to dawn mode, and your switched light mode. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user manual right here, complete with step-by-step installation instructions featuring charts and diagrams to help you out along the way. Next, you can see all the kit contents we have. We have our gasket, we have our bracket, some screws, and some wing nuts. And then we have the floodlight itself right here with its really cool square and rectangular design for the LEDs. We have a ton of mobility, so we can really position these however we want, depending on the area we're trying to light up. You can see we have the SG LEDs logo right there. Then we can look at the motion sensor. We have your test mode, your auto mode, your on time, and your dusk to dawn mode. Then we can flip it over. We have a couple different controls. Your lux to adjust the brightness for the ambient light and its sensitivity. Then we have your timer right here. So we got 1 minute all the way up to 10 minutes. And your range, we have your maximum or your minimum range for the motion sensor. Then you can see in the bottom, we got our 3 wires. We got our white, our green, and our black wire, and some more model information. Then we can just look at it from all the different sides and angles. So all these slots are great because they help dissipate the heat and provide proper airflow. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. We're going to be installing the floodlight in this electrical box right here. Make sure before you begin working on installing your light or removing the old one that you disconnect the power to this circuit so you're not working with live wires. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install this bracket. So line it up with your electrical box, then grab a Phillips head screwdriver and place these 2 screws, one in each hole, and tighten it down. Now that the bracket's installed, we can also install the ground screw. This is the green screw. It's going to go right here where it says G and D. So go ahead, use your Phillips head screwdriver and get that installed. Now we're ready to attach our wires. It's as simple as matching the colors in your electrical box. I also want to point out that you're going to want to put the gasket on first before you attach any of the wires. So go ahead, set the gasket on. And now you're going to match colors. So our white wire is going to go with the white wire in our electrical box. The black wire is going to go with the black wire in our electrical box. And the green wires, your ground wire, that's going to go with the green wire in your electrical box. Or in this case, you can see we have a bare copper wire. That's our ground wire. So we're going to attach all of those wires together with the included wing nuts that they provide. Now we have all the wires connected, so we're ready to just gently push them down into the electrical box. Make sure the gasket's still lined up. And then now we're ready with it in place to go ahead, drop this screw down and tighten it up the rest of the way. Once you have the screw tightened down, go ahead, insert the cap, and you're ready to use your light. We have the floodlight turned on now and all the studio lights turned off so you can see how bright this light is. Don't forget, we can adjust the light too. So we could shine the light up or down. We could push both up. We could turn one to shine to the left or to the right. So you can get really creative with how you want to place the lights and what you're trying to shine light on outdoors. So we're currently outside and it's dark. The yard is just being illuminated by the SG LEDs floodlight. So now you can see how bright it really is outside. Now that you've seen it outside, go ahead, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the brightness and the light overall. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Want to point out too, I've reviewed other SG LED products on my channel, so be sure to check out those videos. Overall, guys, the light's really easy to use and install. The user guide is very helpful and very detailed, so you can install this and do this yourself. You won't need to get an electrician. Obviously, if you're not comfortable enough to do this yourself, you can hire one or get a friend to help you. But I really like how bright it is. I like the gray color, and the modes are easy to control. Same with the controls on the bottom. My wish list in the future would obviously be more features, RGB, dimmable, smart Wi-Fi capabilities as well. But this is a really nice outdoor LED floodlight. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you, and we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything going on around here. Drop a comment below too. We can't wait to hear from you guys. And while you're at it, please follow us online: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, WeChat, Discord, TikTok. You can even check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.